Hello. So today my program is implementing a merge sort. So firstly I type header file name hash include iostream, then a standard library function. Then I declared a function name merge1 which is of void type, and inside that I declared my data types. Then another function named merge sort. Inside that I gave arguments as a pointer variable a, then low and high which are all of integer type. Then I declared a variable mid which is of integer type. Then if my low is less than high, it will undergo these following operations, and these following operations are used to split the array into smaller parts. That is, mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2, then merge sort which contains three attributes as a, low, mid, then merge sort another which contain different attributes, that is a, then mid plus 1 and high, then merge 1 another function which contain another four arguments a, low, high and mid. Then comes another function named merge1 which is a void type, and this function is used to sort the elements and join into smaller parts. So inside this function I declared some of the variables of integer types, that is I, j, k and c array of size 10. Then I declared my I, k, j as I as low, k as also low, then j is equal to mid plus 1. While I is less than equal to mid and my j is less than greater than equal to high, then I use if else, that is if array of I less than array of j, then my array of j will be assigned to my new array c of k, then my k also will be incremented and I also will be incremented. Else my array of j will be assigned to c array of size k, then my k also will be incremented and j also will be incremented. Then my while I is less than equal to mid, then array of I will be assigned to c of I, k will be incremented and I will be incremented. If my j is less than equal to high, then array of j will be assigned to c of k, then k will be incremented and j will be incremented. And if my I equal to low and I is less than k, then c of I will be assigned to a of I. Then inside the main function I declared array of size 10, then a variable I which are both of integer types. I gave cout statement as enter the elements one by one. So I gave for loop condition that it will enter only 5 elements, then it will display it. Then this merge sort function, it will call from above with these arguments a, 0 and 4. Then it will display as the sorted array is. With this it will display the 5 elements. Now we'll see the output, because I am typing 4, 7, 8, 9, 2. Then it came as in sorted way. Thank you. Now we'll see the quick sort program implementing a quick sort. So I type header file name hash include iostream, then a standard library function, declared an array of size 5 which is of integer type, then a function named partition1 which is of integer type, and inside that I give argument L and R which are of integer types. Then this function I am using to sort my array, that is void quick sort. In these parameters I gave as left and right, and declared p of integer type. If my right is greater than left, then I gave this few algorithm, that is p is equal to partition1 is a function. In that argument it is left comma right plus 1. Then another two functions quick sort with different arguments. For first function it is argument is left and p minus 1. For the third one, p plus 1 and right. And this partition 1 function we are using to choose the pivot values and to sort the array. So I declared I, j, pivot and 10, which are of integer type. I use do while conditions, that is, first I will increment my I, and then if my pivot is greater than I, then again it will do my j minus minus, that is decrementing it, and it will check array of j is greater than pivot. If my I is less than j, array of I will be assigned to a temp variable, and my array of I is equal to array of j, and array of j equal to temp. Then while I is less than j, a of L will be assigned to temp, a of L is equal to a of j, then a of j is equal to temp. Then I will return my temp value. Then inside the main function, I am entering the numbers one by one from 0 to 4, that is 5 elements. Then I am calling my quicksort with my values as 0 and 4, and it will display from 0 to 5 elements. We will see the output. I am entering my elements 5, 7, 8. So here also it came in sorted order. Thank you.